Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, I have a very special guest with me, my niece Judah. Say hi, Judah.
Hey.
Today she's going to be helping me make this fun and colorful unicorn ice cream along with these sparkly cones. This was such a fun project. Let's go. Okay, so here are all the ingredients that we're going to need to make the base for our ice cream. Very, very simple ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is pour our heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Make sure that it is cold because we did it when it was warm and it took forever, didn't it, Judah?
It took so long.
It did. It would not cream up. And there's our vanilla extract going in. You can use different extracts if you want to, but I wanted it to be vanilla. And next we're going to add in some salt, regular old sea salt, that's all. Dump that right into that bowl, and now we're just going to mix. And this is the part that took forever because it was warm, you guys. You have to make sure that it's cold. There's my camera crew. This is my first time that Isaac actually recorded my video. I think he did pretty good. What you think, Judah? Think he did good? He did. I was like, wow. Okay, so you see we kept on switching off because our arms were burning. And one thing I noticed when I would leave the room, look what happens. Y'all see them? They would act crazy as soon as I left the room. Look, I love it. But okay, next we're going to add in this sweetened condensed milk. Just dump that right into the bowl. And this was the perfect time for an impromptu floss lesson because I have got to learn how to floss, y'all.
Wait, where my hands go? It's bad. Like this. Like, stop it. Stop. There you go.
Wait, I want to see it. I want to see it.
So my floss light is right here.
Yeah, I want to see it. I didn't see it.
Like this, I can do it fast. What's wrong?
Do it again.
They are so crazy. So much fun. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and stir in that sweetened condensed milk until it is free of streaks. We don't want any streaks in this bowl, all right? Now we're going to place it into 4 different bowls. What was your favorite part about this recipe, Judah?
Putting the food coloring in and decorating the cones.
Oh, yes, that is coming up next. Matter of fact, it's coming up right about right here. There's our food coloring. We are using the neon food coloring. You can use whatever color you want, but for unicorn ice cream, I really like having those bright, fun, girly unicorn colors. And they went ahead and just mixed up all the colors. I love them. They're so pretty. What's your favorite one?
Pink.
I like the purple. I think the purple is so pretty. Pink is pretty too. But yeah, you can make them as dark as you want. I kind of went with like a medium shade. I didn't want to go too dark, not too light. But once you have all of that food coloring mixed in, you have your 4 beautiful colors. We can now start arranging the colors. And the way I do it, I just put the 4 colors right there. I put my pink in, I put my green in, or my yellow, whatever color that is. I guess it's green. And then I add my purple, and then I add my blue. Where's that blue? There's that blue. Just like this, you know? And then once you have this part down, you can pretty much just start adding in the colors anywhere you want to. I just plop it on in just like that. You can swirl it around if you want to, but we just kind of just drop them wherever we wanted to, and that kind of create a nice little beautiful swirly effect. Okay, that's my green going in. You see, I'm just like dropping them wherever. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, if you want your ice cream to kind of have that birthday cake flavor that most unicorn themed items usually have, you can go ahead and add in a little bit of buttercream frosting. But yeah, we just wanted plain vanilla, so we left out the buttercream frosting. And now Judah is swirling this around. That looks so fun.
It was really fun.
I know, it looked fun swirling it like that. I love that. But you can, don't swirl it too much though, because then it'll start mixing the colors. And then we added in some little sprinkles on top, just like that. So next we're going to cover it up and then place it into the freezer. And meanwhile, we can start working on our glittery cones. This part is optional, but it's so fun and it's pretty, and unicorn ice cream needs glitter. So what we did was we got some caramel syrup and we made a very, very super thin layer, you guys. You don't need a lot, around the rim of the cone, and then we just sprinkled it with these colorful sprinkles, and then that was it. Very, very easy. You can just do the rim, or you can go like all the way down to the bottom, but that is it. Aren't they cute? They're so adorable. Okay, it is the next day. Our ice cream is ready, and here is how it looks. So pretty. So pretty, look at that. And you can let this sit out a little bit just so it can kind of soften up, because it will be very, very firm. But this ice cream, it melts quick. So if it's a hot day, you might want to go ahead and eat it quickly because it doesn't have any eggs or anything. Nothing fancy dancy, just very, very basic ice cream that you can make with that ice cream maker. Very, very kid friendly. But look at those colors. I love those beautiful, beautiful colors, nice and bright. So make sure you use like a lot of food coloring to get that nice and bright look like this. So pretty. And that is it, you guys. Homemade unicorn ice cream. This was so fun. Did you enjoy this, Judah?
It was really fun.
It was. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.